So while we still got a little bit of snow, figured I'd break out the brute force for a little video. I don't really make four-wheeler videos, but figured I'd make a little one of me just riding, just bullshitting around. Weather's pretty decent out here. Most of the snow on the roads and stuff is gone already, but back here in the fields, still got a little bit of snow left, so. Well, got her back into the shop. Gonna call that a day on that. Pretty cold out here, so yeah. But yeah, if y'all like the four-wheeler content, let me know. I just didn't think anybody would care, but yeah, if y'all like that, leave a comment, let me know, and I might make some more of it. Might even build the brute force, do some wheels, stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching.